It's Friday, Dan. It's Saturday, Sunday. What? It's Friday Funday. Ladies and gentlemen, 1000x leverage trading. I can't wait for these Fridays. You know, it's so much fun. We're so serious throughout the week that we are excited to have this Friday. What is happening, ladies and gentlemen? Let me know in the chat what is happening. How do you like being here? How do you like this Friday Funday? Is it good? Is it bad? What should we do? What should we trade? What are you looking at? What am I looking at? You know, let's get into this, guys. I just have to pull this up here. And now I hear the music as well. All right. Let me look at the chat. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. We do this every single Friday. This is the time to, you know, just get lost and do 1000x leverage trading. That's what we do here. Master in the house. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Maisie in the house. Good morning. Good morning. Moin, moin. Morning, Drew. Morning, Drew. Morning, Jaw. Morning, everybody. Oh my God. You're like, we've got 15, 20 people watching now. Awesome. Are we long or short? Massive short. Massive short. And also massive short, guys. Because today, as you already know, we do these Friday fun days. Not only it's fun to do 1000x leverage, but it's also a profitable thing if we make any money, because you can win the profits here. How do you do that? It's very, very simple. Let me just show you. You come to the video, you scroll down to the description of this video. You come down here, and in the description you will see what you need to do. You will need to leave a comment after the live has ended, meaning that when the live has concluded, there will be the video up on my channel. You got to go back to the video, and then you have to leave a comment there. So it's not a live comment. It's important for the algo as well. Follow me on Twitter and retweet this tweet. So you got to retweet this tweet. Friday fun day with the 1000x leverage trading, but it's also in the description. And oh no, now I got it. Okay, and then you gotta subscribe to this channel and be present on the live show Monday when I announce the winner. I think today can be the largest Friday fun day. Now, the reason why that is because we have massive shorts cooking anyway. And if we can get one of them live with 1000x leverage, imagine that. Imagine sending Bitcoin 5-6% down with 1000x leverage and giving all that profit out to you guys. I mean, I would be pumped. But it's not only the profits that you can win, but an iPhone as well. As I partnered with BYBIT, you can, if you use one of our links, you can find also on the description. You click here and there will be a win an iPhone or iPhone 15 giveaway. It should be actually not giveaway, but win an iPhone. I'll edit that. But it's like win an iPhone. You go there, it will tell you what you need to do exactly. You will need to sign up with my link or transfer KYC depending on where you are. And the good part about this is that, first of all, you really can win an iPhone. Second of all, the good thing about registering to any of the exchanges on this link is that you get access to our community, which will be paid from January. We will do from next Monday. I'm working very hard with the team, so hopefully next Monday. But we will have daily calls on London Open, New York Open. We will grab you by the hand and take you through the trades. We already have a Telegram community. You want to come here, check that out. It's very, very vibing, buzzing. There's everything else you need. We have every talk and chat and charts and everything else you need. Alpha in there, so come and join here. And very important, subscribe to the mailing list, because this is the place where I'm going to send out an email if something is happening. It's not going to be all the time, but if, for example, we launch the community, the Discord is ready, you will get an email. If, you know, something big is happening, you will get an email. But it's literally, I haven't sent one email out yet, so it's not a spam list, but whatever that is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump right into it. I wanted to put this up before we get going. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Anything we do here is not financial advice, only fun. So subscribe to the channel. And if you do not want to scroll and you're watching on desktop or whatever that is, you can scan this one as well to get to the links. All right, let's jump right into it, guys. Oh, this is the funny part, you know, because last week, thank you so much for Miles. Miles texted me after the show and he said, "Are you using Rollbit on live?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And he's like, "Okay, so your channel might be banned." And I'm like, "Why?" And he's like, "Because it's an online casino and you can't do gambling on YouTube." And I'm like, "Okay, so what?" And then he was saying he had some contacts, whatever it is, he talked to, and if I don't show the logo and if I don't show the URL, it should be fine. So what I did an overlay. Check this. That will cover the logo, and that will cover the what is it? The logo and the URL. So ta-da! Hopefully it's good. I don't know. If it's not working, I already took all the previous Friday fun days down because I don't want to get banned. You know, that's not something I want to do. So, but let's get into this. Let's do this. So, let me look at the chat. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. That's right. That's right. That's right. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Guys, if you're not in the Telegram group, come. It's freaking awesome there. It's really, really, really cool. Really, really, really cool. Link in the description. All right. Let's look at it. So I actually think Bitcoin will need to push down from here, right? So this is the 15-second chart. That's not what we're gonna look at. Do you have anything that we should look at? What do you guys think? Do you have any special coins that you think we should start shorting? Start shorting. I'm gonna look at it. Bitcoin is actually building a massive liquidity here, so this could be interesting. And it made a high. We could also long this because it will need to retrace to this 35-300-ish region. We have to do. No, I'm thinking about something on Rollbit. We have these instruments. Look at it. So I can do something with these. Solana I have. I actually think Sol will have a pullback now. I think it will have a pullback. I mean to the upside. We can't look at. Should we look at? Someone is saying link. Luba is saying link. We have to find the best tokens to take the trade on. It will take liquidity and then potentially retrace from there. Matic. Let's see Matic. Ooh, this is not bad. This is not bad at all. Oh yeah, but it's pushing. It builds up liquidity down here. Liquidity down here, right? So, and didn't break below it. Potentially came down to the 50, right? That's the problem. I mean, not the problem, but like it's difficult to. It's difficult to trade off of this. But this would have been good. We could actually just short it. But it should be pushing. It came back to the 50, retested this breaker, and then moving on. There might be some kind of rejection up here. Mark, in all fairness, the alpha against this, the Telegram has opened. Forex is any crypto banter Discord. We love crypto banter. They're fam. But I'm very happy that you get the alpha. And we're just getting started. It's not even, this Telegram group is not even the product. It's just a community for people who follow the show. It's gonna be, guys, you have no idea what's coming. You have no idea what's coming. I'm telling you, we are going to change lives. We are gonna help people retire next year. I'm telling you. Right. So I'm still looking at the coin that we should. Oh, ADA. Let's short this. Should we short this? It's bullish, but if we break structure here, we did break structure here on the 30-second chart. Let's look at the 1 minute. Okay, if we break. Hans is saying, I love your attitude and spirit. Hans, I'm loving you back. That's what's up. Hans, you're new. I haven't seen you. Oh, you're from the Discord yesterday, I think, huh? By the way, talking about the Discord yesterday, guys, I would love to grow. I would love to help as many people as possible, and I would love to get people to know me and therefore learn. So if you have a community where you would like you know, someone to just come, or me to just come in and have a half-an-hour call or an hour call, chat charts, discuss trading and whatnot, completely free of charge, please do let me know, because I would be very happy to jump onto your Discord. I would be very happy to jump into your community, just have a Zoom call or a Google call or whatever that is, completely free of charge. The only thing I'm asking in return is to, you know, plug my YouTube and Twitter. That's it. If you want that, let me know. There is a mailing list as well. So if you come here, you scroll down to the bottom and the link in the description, you scroll down to the bottom, there is an email option down here. So you can send me an email or Twitter DM or whatever that is. Guys, this will look good. I think this will look good. INJ I don't have here. INJ I don't have here. Let's see. This could look good. This ADA could be a great, could be good. The problem is that we're like, it's big. Like if we do 1000x, we can't do these stop losses. So we need like the perfect entry. We need the perfect entry. Dum. It's broke. Ooh, look at this. Everything screams short, by the way. Whether it's now or a little bit later. Hans says our whole Discord is following you. Thank you. Sol 1 minute. Drew is saying Sol 1 minute. Let's do it. Yeah, it's building up liquidity. That's the thing. I would love for it to wick and then reject and come back and we could enter here. But for now, I don't know what's gonna happen. What was the other coin what I was looking at a second ago? That was good. Doge. Yeah, I think this rejection here is good. Should we take a short here? We're gonna do DGen $10. By the way, I've got a link for Rollbit as well in the link tree. It's pretty cool. All right, let's wait for the setup. I just want to get in on a position. I'm just itching. I'm just itching, you know. I was waiting for this forever. Let's do it. Okay. Oh no. It always messes up. I always set it up and it always messes up. There we go. All right, I had to get in a position. Come on, guys. Like, this is Friday fun day. I can't just sit here and not get into a position. Okay, so let's look at this. I wanted to, so this is how you gotta do all the stuff that I explained. Join the community, come join us, win an iPhone, all that stuff down in the description. Let's look at the forex calendar. I think what we have is we have unemployment claims coming in higher. Yesterday we touched onto this because it's more, you know, actual less than forecast, meaning this number. So if it had been less than this, it would be good for the currency, but because less people claim unemployment and therefore the economy is strengthening. But right now it came in higher, and that's actually good for risk assets because that will potentially help the Fed make the decision of cutting the rate high, the interest rate, and therefore, you know, obviously giving a little bit of space for other assets, especially risk assets, to rocket. So we see average hourly earnings, non-farm employment, unemployment rate, ISM services. I am already in a euro short. I gave yesterday live on the Discord, by the way. I went to this community, cool guys. We jumped on there, and there was a good trade on the euro, and we took it. I'm up 500. I actually can show you. I don't think you will see it, but I'm up $500 on this trade. It doesn't even matter, to be honest, though. But I don't know if you see it. It doesn't matter. So I took this trade with them. I was up 1,000 something, but I didn't cut it because I think we're gonna have a dump there. All right, Hans was there. Okay, cool. All right, let's. We're in $4 minus. We're 60% minus on our short. What is happening? Almost got liquidated. Woo, so close. This should be taken, to be honest. Like, this would be the proper entry. Somewhere up here. This would be like the proper entry. 677. Let's see if that happens. But so forex calendar, that's what's up. It's weekend coming in anyway. If you follow my content, you know we don't really do trade on Fridays. I don't want to get stuck. If we're gonna have a good trade, we're gonna take it. But other than that, I don't really wanna trade. We're up 35%. That's what's up. All right. Everything is red. Who the fuck would have guessed? Oh, well, everybody else who was in the show yesterday and the day before yesterday. That's what's up. So I was saying, there is, you know, Ren yesterday was talking on his show saying these are not the pullbacks but the bullbacks, and I actually love that. These are the bullbacks. So I agree that we are in a bull and a beginning of the bull. I agree that we are, you know, going to go higher. The question really is, when do we have these big massive pullbacks, or so to say bullbacks, and how deep they will go? It's not looking good so far, so I easily see a 15-20% dump from here. We will discuss that, but so far, you know, these are bullbacks. I agree. So bet to bubbles red. Let's look at the Dixie. Dixie induced these levels. So here's the only reason why I'm short euro. Is because, I mean, not the only, but one of the reasons is because if you watch the content, you know that I'm expecting the Dixie to come sub 100, right? Sub 103 first, and then sub 100 eventually. You know, these are months or potentially like a year, what I'm talking about. But the thing is that we induced this OB here, and yesterday in the community, we're up 80%, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we're up 80%. Now it's 60. Now it's 20. You know, it's when they ask you in crypto saying, how much money do you have in crypto? How much profit do you make? And you're like 10,000, and then a second later 8,000, 7,000, 5,000, 20,000, 15,000, because that's how volatile crypto is. We're up 90%. Guys, let me know if we should cut it. Let me know if we should cut it. And if you're here anyway, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. We do this every day, you know? I mean, no, we don't do this every day. We do serious trading every day. I'm on fire today. I'm on fire today. I feel it. I'm on fire today. Okay. So, if I look at this, the reason why I think the Dixie will push back higher to this 107, 155 region that I was explaining is because we're down minus 15%, 20, 30. It's pushing now to that level. Look, now is the time to take the short. Now got liquidated. So cool sound effects. So why can't I move this? So we gotta take a short. So we're $10 down. We're $10 down, guys. You told me to long in the wrong position. I'm just joking. I took another position. I would like to see a high here, you know, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right, let's jump into. Yeah, that's about the Dixie. So if yesterday we were discussing in the Telegram group as well, which, by the way, if you're not there, you're missing out. So you should click in the description and come to the Telegram group. But we were discussing whether a Sol entry, Maze and the Mendel Legend gave an entry for us on Sol yesterday, and it got induced. And inducement means that it doesn't get to the level where it has to go. So if there is an order block, a valid order block up here, this is the exact level where the algorithms get you know, activated. It's not about a maybe and kinda. No, that's the exact level. If we don't get there, by the way, we are up 130%. Okay, so if we do not get to that level, that's a problem. That's called an inducement, and that means that we might go to that level again. So, so if you look at that, inducement means it doesn't touch. Inducement means it doesn't touch. So inducement means there is a level that you identify here, and it comes up and it's kind of like inducing here and then rejects. And then retail thinks, oh, this is good, so I'm going to short the shit out of this, because if you look at this, if you look at the Dixie, it's bearish. Extremely bearish. So like people will go short here, right? And the Dixie will have one more push, and when you make this high, what they thought was the high, they will get liquidated and then max pay and send it down. That's the idea here. We'll see how it goes, but that's kind of the same thing on Sol as well yesterday, Drew, as we discussed in the Telegram. Like when you have a level here and the price is coming down, and you know this is the level and it induces, it doesn't touch, people get in on the long here, and what happens is that they get fucked. So we are up 230%. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. I'm on fire today. Okay. I swear I didn't do any gummies. I'm just, you know, this is what it is. Okay, I just love what I do. Guys, waking up every morning doing this is, oh I can't tell you how, I was depressed, you know, Doing this is just really, really, really good. Okay, total market cap. Look at this liquidity. Look at this liquidity building up. Whoop. This is what we're gonna see. Bam, bam, bam. Come down to the 50%. Retrace. This is what we're gonna look for longs. And bam, we're gonna send it to Valhalla. So we're coming down to the 50%. That's what's gonna happen. 1.193 ish region is the level that I'm looking at. No, sorry, that's also a good level. 1.193, but also 1.18, 1.177 is the level where it should come down, even down to the 1.15 region. Let's look at the total 2. Rejecting. Total 2 rejecting. You see inducement. This is actually good. I'm happy about this here because the fact that we do not touch on here and reject from there shows me that we are going to come back and smash through this level. So I am very, very bullish. We need to see the pullback that I'm expecting, but I'm bullish. Let's look at this. What is this doing? Nice. So now we're coming. We're targeting down here. Guys, this might be the biggest Friday fun day. This might be the biggest. The win here might be $50 to $70 to $100. We're gonna see. This is why it's worth coming. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like. I know we have 31 people watching. Guys, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. This is we do this every Friday, and we do serious trading throughout the week, and we have an awesome community launching soon. So I see people joining in, and Drew is such a fucking legend. He's already replying to people in the Telegram. It's absolute legend. All right, what happened here? Okay, this is for Drew. Okay, let's look at this. So total is that total 3 rejecting, not able to make the market structure main structural point, not able to take it over. We have this up here as well, so a little bit of pain ahead. This is what I said about Bitcoin. This is important because I wanted to reflect on this. I missed this because I was sitting at the, this is why I'm so happy that Reina and Nest is joining and we do this together, this community, because a lot of shit is happening. I've got a daughter and a family and this and that, and I'm creating videos, and I miss so many trades because I'm just simply not at the charts. And when the alert goes off, I'm not at the charts, and I can look at my phone, but it's not that good, and da-da-da. So what we do is that Ray is gonna take care of most of this stuff happily, so we would not have missed this trade. But if you look at this, in taking a short position if we see a lower time frame confirmation. This is what I'm saying yesterday on Bitcoin. 35,455. 35,455. Lower time frame confirmation. If you look at it, what happened? Let me turn the music back on. It comes up. This is 45,455. What do we see here? This is the 5-minute chart. You see a clear break below. You see a clear lead test and the fucking send. This would have been a 1 to 10 risk reward trade. But I wasn't available. But this is why the community is good. This is why we're gonna launch it, and this is why we have an awesome team that will take care of you. This would have been literally, this is what Mason would have taken. This is what the trade that we would have given you. This is the trade that we would have given you. 1 to 12. This would have been a 1 to 12 risk reward trade, guys. Anyway, I gave it to you here. If you took the lower time frame confirmation, then you could have entered. I didn't enter. What do I see on Bitcoin? Massive liquidity building up. We can come lower. We can come lower. So my main expectation is down. That's what's up. Down. We are going to come down. The question is really how deep we're coming and when are we reversing. This will be considered as a support zone for most retail, and this is why it's gonna get fucked. Like, it's gonna get screwed like this. This is what we're gonna see, I think. Down to 32,500-ish region. This is what we're gonna see. I'm just trying to get a best entry on Bitcoin, and the good entry will be up around this level. Either this, but there's massive liquidity here, so I'm thinking we're gonna take Asia high, come up to any of these levels. Yeah, this would be a very, very decent level. Not very decent, but this would be good. Again, lower time frame confirmation or aggressive entry up here. But then if you take an aggressive entry up, let me delete all this because it's just messy. If you take an aggressive entry up here, you gotta take your stop loss up here. Which is not the best. So take a confirmation on both. Oh, guys, we're up 300%. Okay, let me know if we should cut it, guys. It's your win. We can cut it. This level is not good. This is not a support level. It looks like it, but it's not. It's not a support level. So So I'll look at London doing something like this. A little bit of wickery and then come up here to this or this region and then massive short. Boom. The question really is, will it come before the weekend or after the weekend? Ladies and gentlemen, we are up almost 400%. Okay, so let's look at, should we cut this? Hans is saying cutting. Hans is a new guy. Hans is a new guy here on the show. Guys, let Hans know if we should cut it. Because when I ask people if we should cut it, everybody's like, no. You see? Rihansha, let it go. Drew is saying compound it. Drew is saying take it. No. Oh, so many chat. I'm so sorry, guys. It's difficult to keep up. Rihansha says, let's go. I'll listen to the later this time. All right. Gold deals. Nice. DJs. We're going down, guys. This can be $70. This can be easy. 70, 80, or $100. This is liquidity. We can come down all the way down here. Or down here. This can be massive. This can be good. Good gains. Free money, baby. That's what's up. All right. So, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We do this every Friday, and we do serious trading. So, yeah. So here's the thing. So I think Bitcoin's going to come down. Then these OBs are good for short. This is what I'm going to look for. I expect this liquidity to be taken. This is why it's very important to join our community, guys, because trades do change. Like if we take this liquidity, for example, my shorts are not valid. I'm not going to take the short because that means that we built up liquidity. We just broke the 400% mark, 430. So if liquidity is taken here, my longing level would be first longing level with confirmation 33,728. That would be the great level to look for. If we don't take this liquidity first, this is what I'm looking at. If we don't take this liquidity, we will need to come up to 35,300 and then a massive short down to 33.7 or all the way down to 32.5. You know, that's what's up. So let's look at the rest. Market cap dominance, the Bitcoin dominance, don't even want to talk about it. It's coming to 56%. USDT dominance, I was saying most probably we're going to take the liquidity and then reverse. We did, and then we reversed, but we build liquidity, so I'm not that concerned until we break above this 6.85% level. Nitroban is saying we should take it. Tail it. Is it a typo or you want me to tell a tale about the profits? I was joking. Okay, let's listen to the majority. Cut. Keep going. Take profits. Otherwise, someone will. No. Should we take it? Okay, well, let's take it. Let's take it. Do you guys want to take it? It can bounce. Let's take it and then we do it again. Okay, I cash out $32, ladies and gentlemen. That means we were down 10, so we were $22 up. $22 up. Let's take another trade. Let's look at another trade. Don't forget, if you want to win these profits, do what's in the description. There is a step-by-step guide to in the description what you got to do. Sam is already on the money. New trade. Let's go. This will cut through, by the way. Like, this will cut through. Let's look at it. What was the other thing that I was looking at? Massive liquidity. Not good. Bitcoin coming down. Ethereum. No. AVEX. No. Let's go, guys. I want to grab the opportunity. I know 35 people watching. That's awesome. I want to grab the opportunity to tell you guys to... Oh, I didn't notice that we were on a 1 minute chart. I might get liquidated here. I pushed the button way too early. Yes, sorry. I thought it was the 1 second chart. Sorry. Right, a 5 second, yeah. No, yeah, it looks much different. But it's good. It's good. It has a lower time frame rejection on the 1 minute. It will need to come down. So if we come back on this, so we're actually, I screwed this one up. So it's $10 down. So we're $12 up. Massive liquidity. This would be the level that I'd be interested in shorting. Ding. Guys, smash that like button. And again, like what I wanted to say is that we do serious trading. I'm actually not a degen trader like this, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Friday fun day, you gotta live out the... This could be a good long. No, it's a horrible long. So you gotta live out what you have in there. So if you want to come and join a community, you want to win an iPhone, and you just want to make money consistently, come join us. We trade crypto, we trade forex. Come join the Telegram. That's the first step you want to do, and then keep an eye on the channel. Subscribe, smash the like button, all that. Big things are coming. Drew the Man the Legend calculated. I'll post it on my Twitter. Calculated that if I... Oh, fuck. I removed the wrong thing. Oh, no. Yeah, exactly. I removed it because I wanted to remove this. Okay, it doesn't matter. We hope. We pray. Nobody saw nothing. Okay, so what I wanted to say that Drew the Man the Legend, I'll tweet his video. So we are growing about 25% a week on the channel. So we had 300 subscribers 7 days ago, and now we have 373. So that means we're growing literally 25%, about 25% per week. And he calculated if we keep this pace and after 6 months we only get 10% a week, we're gonna be at 500,000 subscribers within a year. I mean, I know it sounds, you know, big, but I see it. Like, I see it. And you guys are so early, so fucking early. Okay. In the 12-hour time frame, I observe a bearish RSI divergence. Throw it out the window. Yeah, I don't... RSI, maybe it works. I don't know. There is divergence, but look at volume divergence rather. Look at that volume divergence. RSI don't matter. That is there to trick retail. So don't worry about RSI. Don't look at RSI. And also, I want to tell you something. So I want to tell you something very important that we just talked in the community. There was someone posting a chart and I saw an indicator on there. And I said, this is the exact reason why you don't use indicators, because there was a change of character marked on the chart, on the indicator, and it was marked in the wrong place. And then the reply was, you know, yeah, but until we learn with you guys, I want to use an indicator. But here's the problem with that, and please take this by the heart. I know that you want to go in progress. I know that you want to learn and use indicators and grow with indicators and trade with indicators, but you are going to get screwed because it's not working. Imagine the fact that you want to pass a river, right? And there is no bridge and you're waiting for the bridge to come. And you know that the river is like filled with gators and whatnot, and you're gonna fucking die if you fall in. Will you start trying to climb through on trees and whatnot, or wait for the bridge? Now, using indicators will plant a bad pattern and behavior in your mind, and when you look at the chart, that's what's gonna kick in, and that will actually set you back. So, you know, this is what just about the indicators. Come join us. We'll teach you how to trade. Don't use indicators. It doesn't make any sense. All right. Let's look at this. Come on. Come on, we should trade. We're up $12. We should reach that $12. Let me know. Should we reach that $12? Should we reach that $12? We should have kept that perfect entry, guys. That's the thing. Tron could be a great short. You know what I'm thinking? I'm gonna do a 24-hour BYBIT marathon, and I'm gonna go from 100 to 1,000. Let me know if we should do that. Ooh, what happened here on Rune? Is this BYBIT or is this a gap? What is happening here? Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Is it only Rune? Yeah, it's only Rune. Something is fucked with Rune. What's happening? Okay, let's try to take another trade. The logo is on there again. I can't believe. Okay, we'll need to practice this a little more. All right. So I'm saying yes. Let's do it. Yes, for the. I guess that's for the 24-hour. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll take an ADA short here. You know what? I'll do a $5 bet. I'll do a $5 bet, and then we'll do another $5. Da-da-da-da. We'll get fucked. This is a wrong level. I'll cash out. I'll cash out. It's a wrong level. We could long BNB here. I did. Thanks. I love, by the way, guys, I gotta tell you, I love how the community is supportive. Like, it's just so wild. Seeing you guys come in and reflecting on the thumbnails and just really chatting and reminding and really taking lead on well, like, it's just incredible. It's been so fucking much. It's so good to see people coming together doing stuff like this. Like, I missed being surrounded by good people. I mean, in terms of like in crypto, and you know, yeah, so I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy to be relieved and be here, and it's just incredible. So I'm very grateful for you guys. Okay, so we took that trade. Let it ride. So we're $12 in profit. Let's not forget. All right, so Bitcoin, I think we're gonna see a push. I don't think we take this liquidity. We see a push up here. What did we take? Did we take a short or a long? Long. Okay, that's good. I think we're gonna see a push here. A very sudden push, and everybody will be again bull market, and then we're gonna reject from these levels. So watch out for those. Near, I wanted to look at Rune because there was something wrong with Rune on that chart. Oh, there's nothing. It's just robot integration. So it was smash. It came back. I was too early, but my level was good. Tomo. Does anybody know what happened with Tomo? I wanted to trade this from last time we were talking about this, and this happened. So I'm in a euro short already since yesterday, and you know, the people are hungry for legitimate help. This is the thing. I'm fucking tired of this influencer shit. Like, I can tell you, you know, I can't tell you how tired I am of people just, and I actually will make a video on this, but I just feel like people feel bad because of all the influencers who have no fucking, you know, idea how to make money trading. And you feel bad and stupid because you follow people who show that they know how to make money, but they can't. And it's just tiring. It's just soul draining. Yeah. Yes, okay. So I expect someone was saying that they want to, I think it was Drew saying, no, we got liquidated. We got liquidated. Let's push this $7. Let's make it happen. We need to see a reversal here. There's liquidity below, so the only thing I'm waiting for is this liquidity to be wigged. Come on. My daughter always says, funny. Come on. Bam, send it. I'm concerned this liquidity will be taken. I think we're up $7, right? $7 is our profit right now. All right, so let's jump right into this. So yeah, so I'm expecting the euro, like I'm expecting this to come up a little bit higher. This is again inducement, right? This is what you see: liquidity being manufactured, engineered above, below the OB. So this will be the entry. You can do an aggressive entry if you want. Stop loss up here. This will be the entry. I'm gonna ride this. Although I think the euro is bullish, I think we have one leg up on the Dixie. I think we have this one leg up on the Dixie that will push the euro down. Yeah, so we have this high break here, retest. I guess this is the 50%. I guessed it right. And then a push. At least fill this gap, at least, and that will send the euro down. So that's what I'm looking at. All right, and just to talk about some news, SBF has been found guilty, faces up to 115 years in prison. I mean, I'm never with bad blood and whatnot, but I mean, this dude is another level. And the old Jim tweeted, did it again. Sam Bankman-Fried will be found innocent. He will not serve a day in jail. Extremely bullish on SBF. Now, here's the thing about Jim. I'm serious. I have no fucking idea how this guy can have his own show. Either this guy is really just a comedian, and we don't understand it, or I don't know what the other option is. It's just so crazy. Every time, literally every single time Jim Cramer makes a prediction, it goes the exact opposite way. You don't even have to come and learn with us. By the way, it's good to join our community in Telegram, but you don't even have to come and learn with us. You just counter trade Jim Cramer. That's what it is. That's the only thing you gotta do, and you will be a millionaire. Seems like it. So weird. Okay, on the other side, on a serious note, it's very interesting to see that there is a dead man switch triggered. So there was like a wallet named Dead. And that wallet sent 7,000 Bitcoins to Bitfinex. Now, first of all, it's weird why it's Bitfinex, right? Second, if this is something, if this is something where you're like, and this is on the same day when SBF found guilty, I would not be surprised if this would be like a revenge kind of thing. It will be very interesting to see, keep an eye. And that leads us to a very important point. Because I made a thread about, oh, by the way, I love Jonah Hill. I love Jonah Hill. If he will play SBF, fuck, that will be an awesome movie. That will be such a good movie. Anyway, what I wanted to say is I made this thread on Solana. If you watch my videos and follow the content, you will see that I made this Brandon Sheldon making fun of me. If you haven't, let's look at it a little bit. It's a pretty cool video. You should go to my profile and check it out.
But he tweeted this earlier.
So he's analyzing my tweet and saying that I had a wrong prediction.
In the shorts. So I think he's actually quite a good trader.
He is good. He's
saying and Sheldon agrees, I'm a good trader. Yeah, so anyway, so this here is very interesting because I got so much hate on this tweet. So much hate. If you look at it, people are calling me a clown and shit like that. Look at it. It's still pumping. Oh, maybe they deleted it. They're still waiting. Anyway, they were like, yeah, Joey's mean nothing and shit like that. There was people who calling like clown and shit. Probably now that everything is dumping, they deleted that tweet. That's the thing. But anyway, what I'm saying is that I tweeted this thread. You should definitely go to my Twitter and check this out. This is pretty interesting. Solana collapsed 80%. And then it took after 361 days, it took the high that was created pre-FTX collapse. Then it made a lower time for confirmation. I fucked this one up because it was the 5-minute it was a good confirmation, but it didn't dump right after. It went another 10 to 15%. And then we have divergence on the volume as well. And the thing is that this is a normal practice. Driving price the ideal levels for position exit in a standard practice among market makers, hedge funds, and big institutions. That is the thing. And this is what we saw in Sol. So now, surprisingly, as of November 3rd, there was 1.1 million Solana transferred onto to sell. 1.1 million Solana from FTX. That's $42 million. Now, I looked at the order book. If they market sell, this shit is they obviously not going to market sell. I'm not that stupid, I know that. But if they would market sell, Solana is $13. So, and that's only them. It's not the liquidations and the other selling pressure. It's only them. So, I'm excited and I can't wait for Ren. If this comes through, I can't wait for Ren to come on and say I have to eat humble pie because this was correct. So that's my biggest motivation. I don't care about fucking Solana and the crypto. Let's go down, but I want him to see this. But we'll see. Let's look at Solana because talking about Solana, talking about the devil. Yeah, so Solana is below 40. Solana is below 40. So I was expecting this was the lower time frame that I was looking at. Where was it? I think it was up here somewhere. Maybe this, I'm not sure. It was up here somewhere. This, I think this was it. I think this was around 40%. This is what I was looking at. And then Solana did from here. Yeah, did another 15%. 16%. So I was a little bit early. But yeah, we'll need to see. I think Ren is long since 28, so he has some time to... Yes, has some buffer. But we got liquidated. Damn, guys. So now we're at 0. So now we can wait for this liquidity to be taken and then rock it. Let's do another $10. The last one for today. Should we do $20? Let's do $20. Risk management. Proper risk management does count. I think this will be wigged. This will be wigged. Fuck it. Let's do $20. So I think this was the liquidity hunt, and I would expect it to start going up, or maybe not. We'll see. This is our last one for today. If we get liquidated, we get liquidated. This is it. It's 20 bucks. I don't see I don't see the, what is it, how do I set this up? Would be so sad to go bust. Who's excited? Look at how nicely it aligns. If we get busted, we got busted. That's it. I'm not gonna enter again. This is what I'm telling myself. Not you. I'm telling it to myself. That should bounce, actually. So close. Ah, we got busted. Should we enter again? No, we shouldn't. We shouldn't. This is such a good long, though. No, I'm not gonna enter. Should we enter again? Let me know in the chat. Should we enter again? That's the question. Should we enter again? I said I'm not gonna do it. Okay, entered again. I wanted to enter with $10, but we did 20. This is all for the fun, guys. This you should never do. Oh, look at the euro. To talk a little bit about serious trading as well. Let me guess. The Dix is taking the, yeah. This is gonna be a juicy trade. Drew is killing it in Telegram. Until we do this, I want to grab the opportunity and just tell you guys that if you want to join our group, we are launching, it will be a paid product. I want to be completely honest with you. I think it's worth it, and we take a lot of time in it, so that's why it's going to be a paid product. It will be the best paid service that you can subscribe to. I'm telling you. We will do two calls a day, specifically on trading. Morning, London Open and New York Open. We're going to give you all the trades and explain why we take the trades. By subscribing for a monthly subscription, you will get access to our courses. you know, from how to get physical residency in Dubai, to how to trade, to how to set up an exchange, to all the basic, to the advanced stuff, everything. And you will be able to get direct access to us with trading mentors and whatnot. So it's definitely worth doing that. But until January, it will be free. So the only thing that you gotta do is to subscribe, to use one of my exchange links. If you come here, you can check all the exchanges in the description as well, or on my profile you can find the link tree. You can come here. First of all, if you sign up with BYBIT now and transfer $100, you have a chance to win an iPhone 15. This is pretty cool. It's very important, you know, a lot of times you can open an account and not use it. We are monitoring volume. So that means that if you just open an account, just to open an account, and you use your old account, which I completely understand, you're not going to be, you know, able to participate in the community as well, because if you don't get value of it, if you don't take the trades that we do, there's not much to talk about. So it will be a paid service from January, but it will be free until that if you use our links. So the only thing you got to do, subscribe, sign up to one of our exchanges, BYBIT, being 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝗊, and I'm adding BitGet today. I've got the link as well. I'm adding BitGet today. Sign up and watch out in the Telegram group. Join the mailing list and join the Telegram group as well. We'll take all the discussions there from there on. It will be pretty cool and massive and big and whatnot. The problem is I just noticed that on the link tree there is also like the link for the Rollbit platform. So I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna stand. I don't know. Maybe you know what we're gonna do. Maybe if you're in the Telegram, we're gonna do the Friday Fun Day. That's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna do the Friday Fun Day on unlisted YouTube. You will only get access if you are in the Telegram group. You can only win if you're in the Telegram group, and I'll just publish later. I'll just publish a best moments from this. That's what we're gonna do, guys. That's what we're gonna do. So also join the Telegram group. It's worth it. All right, let's jump out of this. Let's jump back here. We have to take the high. If we do take the high, this can be a big trade as well. We're up. So we were down 20 bucks, right? So we're up $3 on today's show. Drew is killing it in the Telegram, guys. He is literally, let me look at it. Let me look at the Telegram. That's what we gotta do. 33 message on since we're here. We will have ideation and feedback loop. We have announcement. We have live show charts. So also as we grow, you know, this is what we're gonna do. This is the only place where I will do live charting. But this is like the place to be. This is like the place to be. We've got Mason in here. We've got Nest in here. This is the place to be. There's a link in the description, and you're still very early. So it's worth coming and joining and doing all that stuff. So I think what we're gonna do now, is that we are going to leave this here, and I'm gonna log. Maybe I'm just gonna stay here. So the show is kind of concluded. I'm very happy if you stay, but the show is kind of concluded. I'm gonna leave this here for the trade, so we can see. I think I'm gonna cut it at $10. I think I'm gonna cut it at $10 because I do want to give something to you guys. I don't want to go away from nothing. So oh my god, I didn't see the chat. I thought the chat froze. Okay, so I'm not gonna look for the, if you guys have to leave, you can, but like we're gonna stay here. That soul is building up on 3 minutes. Yes, really look after each other. Yes. Yeah. Hey Simon, happy Friday, buddy. This here. How do I do this? This. It's definitely worth joining the Telegram. I'm already seeing lots and lots of good advices. And honestly, I'll be honest with you, we don't even give all the advice there because we will have a community specifically for that. So it's awesome. It's very good. Yeah, exactly, Drew. Drew is on the money. We've got 28 people watching, 27 likes, so that's good. My daughter is young. I have to watch out. She's below 3 years old. Fun Friday. I'm happy you liked it. Risk management is important, but today's Friday Fun Day! We're up 10 bucks. Now the question is, should we take it? I said I'm gonna cut it at $10. buddy, this is what I do. Like, I had a very bad experience with, I'll say most of the Crypto School Volunteer team. That's the honest truth. Some of them are fucking crazy, literally crazy. And I'm very happy that we're building a healthy community here. So, and also I have to say some of them are awesome, incredible. Some of them are incredible people, especially in the team, not the volunteer team, but especially in the team, incredible guys. But also in the volunteers, among the volunteers, there are fantastic people, fantastic people. I'm just sorry that they're stuck in the kind of toxic environment. Loving the Friday energy. Yay, hey, we're up $26. Should we cut this? I think we should cut it now. So many chat. I can explain to you the OB. Come to the Telegram, ask it there. We've got time. The Nitro Bunny is all about taking the money. We broke above the 1 minute high, guys. We can't take it now. We have to risk it. It can be $80. We can't take it now. Look, we can't now we can't take it. We could have taken, but we can't take it now. Why not? Because look. So here's the thing. We have liquidity here. We have a fair value gap. It comes down, tests this fair value gap. Almost stops us out, by the way. And then moves on. Makes a 1 minute high. Look at it. Makes a 1 minute high. Makes a 1 minute high and moves on. It will retest and then move on. This is the next move. Like, we can't cut it now. Now we can't cut it. We can't bail out. And it is making a high. So we also made a 5 minute. And we left a lot of liquidity. We have to come up to this region. We can't cut it. No. We can't cut it. I just can't cut it now. That's the thing. There's just no cut button. You remember when Robinhood removed the sell button on GameStop? Like, that's kind of the thing that we're gonna do now. Oh, they removed the buy button, I think. They removed the buy button. So Sam is asking in the Telegram. Let's look into the Telegram as well. Let's look into the Telegram. What's happening in the Telegram? Oh no, I can't because then the... Whoa! We're up $30! We can't take it, guys. We can't take it. I can't take it. You see, I ask the community what they think about the thumbnail. It's like pretty cool. It's pretty fucking awesome. Drew is killing it here. Welcome, Alan. Welcome to all the new people. Welcome, everybody. No, not only BYBIT. We do have everything else. We have BingX. We have BingX, BYBIT, OKX, and BitCat. Thank you. Drew is such a fucking legend. I use MetaTrader for my funded, yeah, and I use BYBIT mostly. And don't forget, you also have to deposit. You also have to deposit $100, not only sign up. If you have a BYBIT account and you want to join our service, you have to transfer KYC. You gotta look for a transfer, or Drew can just post a link if he would be so kind. You have to transfer KYC if you want to do that. You can't KYC, but you can transfer your KYC. So you have to open an account under my referral, and there is a transfer KYC option on BYBIT, so you can do that. All right, let's jump into it. Don't panic. Now, everybody, I see you guys already. Oh, we should have taken the profits. No, don't panic. Maybe we get fucked. I don't know, but like, don't panic. Double them. Nitro Bunny is on the money. She's like, take it on the... I don't know, is it she or he, or what do we think? What do we think? Is Nitro Bunny a beautiful girl, or is she a hairy dude? Nitro Bunny, I love to see you around, by the way. It's good. You're also coming back all the time. No, you're in. You need to wait. You see? Mountain Runner understands it. He understands what's up. He runs the mountains. Goes up, runs the mountain. When you run a mountain, you can't stop halfway. You're already up. You're already up on the mountain. Well, that's the thing here. Look at it. We're already up on the mountain. I can't turn. I have to run the mountain. That's what it is. And you know what the mountain is? This is the mountain. This is our big mountain. This is the hill that we're going to ride up. Now I'm going to look very stupid if we get stubbed. No, I wouldn't mind. I mean, I would mind because then there would be no profit for you guys. But other than that, it would be okay. It is good. It's a good trade setup. Trust me. Also, Drew linked in the comments here, and also you can find the link to BYBIT KYC in the Telegram. So Nitro Bunny. So what? We don't have guesses. Nitro Bunny is waiting. Nitro Bunny, will you tell us if you're a hairy dude or a beautiful girl? Come on, what's the guess? What do we think? I still want to add to my euro position up here. I think I should. I will add to my euro position up here. And yes, I use my phone to place trades, and I love it. And if you don't like it, I'm sorry. It's just so good. I also, you know, honestly, on BYBIT as well, I use my phone on BYBIT. It's just so good. The application is so good, and everything is just so good. So if you use BingX, by the way, you can do this already. You can do this already on BingX. You can take a trade with me if you want. I'll lose about 60 bucks per lot. I'll place an order here. You have to see what your broker is, but oh, look at those profits. Look at those profits go bye-bye. That's good. We're making, now we're trapping retail. It's all good. All good. Oh yeah, exactly. You can. I can also help you. Come to the Telegram with chat. Come to the Telegram with chat. I am shorting euro. Yes, I am shorting. So the euro trade is a short at 0.1.0636, but it's different on my broker. So there's no thing markets up here. So but you have to see. Like I'm looking at the inefficiency here, and then a stop loss above this high, because that's the 50. We already come up to the 50. So I think this should be sufficient enough. So this is a very, very nice area for us to reverse. Potential area. Would you even believe? Are we frozen? Are you guys here? Yeah, so my target is... depending on the Dixie, depending on how hard the Dixie will push, if it will push, it will come down or up. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I think it will have to take this gap up here, and that will send. I think that would send the euro down to at least taking this Asia low, at least. So this is my first POI, point of interest, which is 1.057. That's like the first area where I would be interested in taking profits. So this would be a nice 1 to 8. 1 to 8 risk reward trade. Nice. Do that and come to the community. Like we're gonna work tomorrow as well all day. I'm gonna work tomorrow on setting up the community all day. So it will come, and it's worth it. I promise you guys. This is the you know, we were debating with Nest and Brain whether we should do this for free or give even a possibility of people to joining it for free. First of all, I love the fact that you guys are here. Like I really do I am grateful for you being here. So that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to do this for free from the beginning for 1 month or 1.5 months. Second, in the beginning, you know, we're launching something huge. We're traders, so we're just trying to build something. We're building something that is gonna help people, but there will be you know, setbacks on the way, and I don't want you guys to pay for something and then we fuck around with Zoom and it's not working, and some days you might have to skip it, or you know, or I don't know. So we are just getting started with a completely new concept, and I don't want you to pay from the very beginning for something that's not at the level where I would pay for. So the reason why it's gonna be free is not because we're cheap motherfuckers or whatever that is. It's just because, or it's low quality. It's just because first I want to give the highest quality possible, and we do have the highest quality on the trading side and the content side, but we need to have the highest quality on the Discord, on the Zoom calls, on the tech behind, on the newsletter that you come, on the voice note that you could get every morning after the call, on the course content, everything. So it will be free, because we want to basically test as well. And once it's done, end of December, we're gonna go and convert into pay. And if you want to convert, you will convert. If you don't want to convert, that's absolutely fine as well. So it will be free, because in exchange of us giving the free content for you, we receive a lot of testers, a lot of people on the platform, and on what we do. So what is this doing now? You see what it is doing? It's building liquidity. That's what it's doing. Look at it. Bam, 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 bam. Robert, if you're watching, just please sort this out. This is so horrible. I just want a normal trend line, and I just want a normal drawing tool, and I just want to go back with a Command Z, and I just want to delete. Just integrate TradingView. Just that's simple. I think they can't integrate TradingView because of their 1 second and all that, what they do here. Maybe that's why, because they do. Actually, I think Robot makes money on liquidations. That's what I think. Like they, you know, it's so weird. Robot is pretty fun for this. Robot is perfect. If you can trade leverage, Robot is perfect as well. But also, like what they do is that you don't pay a fee under $1,000 or something like that. There's no fee on these trades. Look at it. With PNF fee, you don't pay any fees to open or close the trade, and only for a fraction of your, if any, is taken when you close the trade. With a flat fee enabled, you receive 100% of your profits, but prepay a flat fee that covers your entry-exit slippage before entering the trade, like an regular exchange. I don't dare to click on it because of the logos and whatnot, but there seems to be a flat fee, but I think it's very, very low. It's like very, very tiny. But they changed this as well. There were no fees previously. Bam, 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 bam. We were frozen, but we were. Can we have a tutorial video on your trading style so you can follow along? Mizi, there is no easy solution. I'm telling you, the sooner you let go of this easy solution, I'm telling you, the sooner you're gonna make money. We will have a complete course. So when you come, the course is not gonna be ready from day one. So it's gonna be ready when the paid product launches. It will be. I think it will be the best course ever. And I'm not like, you know, best course ever, I'll buy it here. It is going to be the best course ever. So you want to come and check it out. It will be the part of the paid product from January. And that will include everything I know and everything Rain knows. It will be like everything that you know will be in there. And you can follow along the calls. But also, my goal is to teach you how to fish. It's not to give you fish. I want to teach you how to fish. And if you can learn how to fish, I won. My mission is complete. I want to help at least 100 people, but rather thousands of people retire in the next bull. That's what I want to do. And not only in the next bull, but also we trade forex, we trade all that. So the idea here, and okay, so this is wow. So now I'm gonna go push the button. So here's the thing. What we want to do, I want you to be able to understand the thought process behind the bull, the bear, and all that. The next bull, which is here, will be So in the next bull that comes, you can make life-changing money. And that life-changing money might be 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. It's not necessarily life-changing because of the amount of money, but because the tools that we're gonna teach you now to trade forex, to trade commodities, to trade crypto, you can take the money that you make on your spot moonbags and put it into a trading account. And if you make 10% on a $200,000 account a month, 10%, which is nothing, you make $20,000 a month. So you can retire. So the reason why the whole thing will add up is not only because we will teach you how to trade and then the next bull we're gonna make so much money, but because you can take all the profits and turn it into a full-time gig because you will have the capital. That's the goal here. We're dropping hard. We're dropping hard. I think is Bitcoin taking a. I still think it's just a retest, by the way. Like I still think we just come in here and then retesting this and then moving on. But maybe not. Maybe not. We'll see. Did I enter $20? Yes, I wanted to enter 10. But it's good. If we don't see a push here, I'll exit. But we should. It comes back 50. Let me look at the Fibonacci. Love you, Mizzy. Love you. Also, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. It's nothing against nobody, you know. I'm gonna be very straight honest. I have enough of, oh yeah, you can make $100 a day following this strategy. Fuck you. No, you can't. No, you can't, because you're gonna wreck yourself. You're just looking for an easy, not you, Mizzy, like in general. People are looking for easy money. Make $100, make $500 a day. No, dude, no. Show me a monthly P&L, show me a yearly P&L, then we talk. No. You can also search for what he does on his trades. Market structure, MSS. Yeah, exactly. Love you, Mizzy, so much. Love you being here. And I promise you we'll help you learn. We'll help you trade. We'll help you, do all that stuff. Ah, yeah, maybe it's not gonna come up there. Maybe it's not gonna come up there. It still looks good. It still engineers liquidity. We might come down and then. Yeah, I think we should see just a wick. I just so want to see just a wickery. We'll see. What is Bitcoin doing? Aha, Bitcoin is having the push. We need to close above this. Thank you, Luba. I know you do. The best thing you can do now is to sign up for an exchange and come join the Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group for free. And by the way, guys, sign up for subscribe to the channel. Smash the like, It's engineering liquidity, guys. This can be big. Or not. This was a very, 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 very fast liquidation. Bitcoin dumping, or why did we have it down here? RIP to this. This is the first time we're not giving out any profits. So we're closing today. I think we're closing today with 40 bucks minus. Is that it? So now if you retweet and all that, I will ruffle who will give me that $40. That's what we're gonna do now. Okay, guys. Sorry that it happened. Next time. Next time, just short. Here we go. When Discord next week. Next week. From Monday, I want to start. If you're in a Telegram group, and so what we're gonna do on the weekend is that we're gonna look through for people who deposited. So what we're gonna do, I will just pull this up. So if you come and you want to be on an iPhone, go and click here. You have to sign up with BYBIT or transfer KYC. Come to the Telegram. Definitely come to the Telegram. We have all the info there. And if you come to the Telegram, watch out for or keep an eye on the what is it? On the, keep an eye on the announcement channel, right? So keep an eye on the announcement channel because that's gonna be an interesting place to be. This is where I'm gonna announce everything. What I'm gonna do today and tomorrow is to see who deposited already. And the people who did deposit already $100, they will have access to the Discord from next week. So that's why it's worth doing it now, and then coming to the Telegram, and then keeping an eye on when the Discord launches. All right, so awesome stuff, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for participating. I'm sorry that we couldn't have any profits. We're down minus $40, so I'll just make sure to raffle who transfers that $40. I'll send you my TRC USDT address, and yeah. What's happening with BTC short-term, Izzy? You gotta look at the analysis that I made. We're coming up here 35-ish, then reject 35 300-ish, and then reject. Yes, exactly, Hans. Exactly. Thank you so much. Luba did already. Guys, I appreciate you so much. Thanks for being here. You're such legends. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing weekend. I will aim to drop a video today or tomorrow. It's worth coming, worth being here. It was awesome. Thank you very much, Hans. Thank you for being here. Talk to you guys. Have a fantastic week. Take care. Bye-bye.